There are 3 active systems in the Atlantic and a couple more that could develop and impact land. What are these current systems' chances of developing? If they have already developed, what are their names? And what could these future systems' impacts be to land? Those questions will be answered in this video. It is TBF Cyclone Tuesday, August 5th, 2025. Starting with Disturbance 1, it is off the coast of the Carolinas right now, and it currently has a 40% chance of development in the next 7 days and a 10% chance of development in the next 2 days. I'm not really sure if it will develop or not. I'd say it's about a 50-50 chance. If it does develop, it will likely be a short-lived system, or it could not even hit land and follow the track of where Dexter is right now. Dexter currently has 40-mile-an-hour sustained winds, which is a bare minimum tropical storm, and it may re-strengthen to 45 miles an hour. I do not expect this to impact land at all, but it could be a moderately strong extratropical cyclone with 60 miles an hour. We'll see how strong it gets before it dissipates. Again, it is forecast to reach a peak intensity of 45 miles an hour. It was at 45 previously, and then it weakened slightly, so we'll see what ends up happening. And then Disturbance 2 currently has a 0% chance of development in the next 2 days and a 50% chance of development in the next 7 days. I do expect this to develop, and I think it will. I'm not really sure what the intensity will be. One model is showing it being a hurricane, and then another model is not showing it getting too strong. I'm going to show you the American model. So the GFS is the American model. Here we have Dexter. That's the area of circulation out in between Bermuda and Maine. And then if you look toward the coast of the Carolinas, there's maybe a little spin up, but maybe you can't even tell it's there. And it's very short-lived. And then if you look down toward the Caribbean, just north of the Caribbean, there's another storm that goes through kind of the Bahamas. This is the GFS model. I'm not really sure if this will happen, and it does strengthen into a hurricane, likely before hitting Florida. And then I'm not really sure if this is going to happen. And then you see off the East Coast, there's another system that kind of pops up out of nowhere. I doubt if this will happen, but I'll keep a close eye on it. And then the GFS shows it re-emerging into the Gulf, which would be quite crazy. And then the European model, I think this is going to be maybe more accurate. So there's Dexter between Bermuda and Maine, and then if you look in the main development region right here, there's a little spin up, and then they do actually show this other system developing off the Carolinas, but not really hitting any land. And then I think that could be Aaron. And then it really depends if this system develops and gets named, if that develops and gets named. Whatever one comes first, we'll get the we'll get the E name storm, which is Aaron, and then the second one that develops, we'll get the name Fernand, which is the F name storm. And then if you look in the Caribbean again, there is another system that moves through, and then look out the Yucatan Peninsula. It does hit the Yucatan Peninsula and then moves into the Gulf, and then the waters there are very, very warm, so we'll see what happens after that. But also, this is way out in time, and also, there could be a lot that happens, a lot of changes in the forecast, and also the system off the Carolinas, because it's so close to land, it's just so very hard to forecast. But I'll be keeping a very close eye on all of this. That's it for today, guys. Be sure to subscribe to stay safe from any upcoming systems. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and see ya.